Make your summer even brighter with Confection Couture's I Need Vitamin C Confection Collection. To learn more about the techniques shown here, check out the other videos on the Confection Couture YouTube channel. In addition to the stencils shown here, you'll find more information about the tools used in this tutorial by visiting our website. These include the AirGenie Airbrush system, Stencil Genie, Quadrant Masking Tool, Gyro-Cut Craft and Hobby Cutting Tool, cookie magnets, DecoPack Airbrush food coloring, and cookie cutters. Visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com today and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas.